18,000 layoffs from Amazon, 12,000 from Google, 10,000 from Microsoft. BuzzFeed laid off 15% of its entire workforce, about 215 employees. Just after that, they came out and said that they will be utilizing ChatGPT, OpenAI's tools to help them write articles, blog posts, and their quizzes online, which means they are directly replacing 215 employees' jobs with essentially AI. Are you worried about losing your job? If not, you definitely should be, because AI is replacing so many tasks so quickly. AI is basically where the internet was in 1994, just before the big tech explosion of the 2000s. I bet that in a year to 2 years, AI will be much smarter than the average person. I could even argue they can even be smarter than our intellectuals of our society. Now, if you've never heard of AI, you've been living under a rock. So I'm here to tell you, what can AI do at the moment? Currently, it can generate images from nothing, mid-journey, stable diffusion. It can create beautiful website mock-ups that you can then use to create a genuine website, which this creator did. He utilized ChatGPT and mid-journey as a website editor to create that website on the internet, which this creator just did. I'll leave that link in the description down below. One company made $1 million a day, $30 million a month, clean profit from just using a free tool called Stable Diffusion, which they integrated in their Lensa app, which the company is called Lensa app. I'm sure you've seen a lot of articles about this, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of posts about this on social media, where you can take 20 to 30 pictures of yourself and change yourself into a shining knight or a superhero. There are chatbots that can communicate and talk to your customers and give them relevant, accurate information, and also solve their problem queries. You can write an entire book with ChatGPT and illustrate it with Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. And that's exactly what one gentleman did with a children's book, and he sold it on Amazon. He's roughly gotten $200 from it, but just imagine the possibilities. Alex Hormosby challenged his entire team to replace themselves with AI, and I'll leave that link in the description down below. Now, the question you might be asking yourself is, I'm definitely going to lose my job. What am I going to do? I can't compete with an AI that can work 24 hours a day. That's mind-blowing. But no, you can compete with an AI model. Not maybe against the AI model, but definitely with him. Imagine your skill, your creativity, your passion for work combined with the effectiveness of an AI-based model. You would be essentially unstoppable. How can you compete against AI? Now, you might be thinking you're definitely going to lose your job. But let me stop you there. There is a possibility of hope. You can develop your in-demand skills. Now, AI is great. AI is great for simple tasks and routine tasks at the moment. But where we come in, we can do critical thinking, emotional analysis, and as well creative thought, original ideas, where AI at the moment is not capable of those things. The most important thing is to embrace continuous learning. Take courses on AI-based models. How can you implement it into your own life, into your own business, into your own job? How can you make your job easier using AI? Don't run and hide from it. It's here to stay. If Google gets nervous because Bing implemented ChatGPT into its systems, then you know it's here to stay, and the AI wars is about to begin. We will see which company can get the fastest, the best AI-based model that the rest of the industry can use. So what can we expect from the future? Well, only time will tell whether AI and humans can work together in one, or are we going to be slaves to our AI overlord?